Here, Fred Sear and Jock, Christmas llama.
Yeah, we hope you're going to follow along. It's going to be a lot of fun. You ready to start?
Yes.
Let's first draw our llama's nose. We're going to draw a little V. I'm drawing it towards the top of our paper, but a little to the left so that we have room for the body. I'm going to draw the letter V, really small. Then we're going to draw a line coming down. Then we're going to draw a curve coming out to the left and out to the right. And we can also add little cheek lines too if we want. Now let's draw the snout. I'm going to draw a circle that covers or goes around the nose and mouth. Then we're going to draw the eyes. I'm going to draw a circle here and a circle the same size to match on the other side. And then we can always add our cartoon highlights in the top left to make the eyes shiny. And then let's color in that big circle, but leave the little circle white. Now let's draw our llama's head. We're going to start here. We're going to draw U shapes that are connected together. We're going to draw really big U shapes that go underneath the chin too. And then we're going to come up on the other side for the cheek. And then we're going to stop next to the eye, just like we did on the left side. Let's draw one more little curve on each side so it's a little higher above the eyes. And then we're going to change the U shapes, or this is for the hat. We're going to draw a little Santa hat. This is the fluffy part at the bottom of the Santa hat. And we're going to connect the top of our llama's head. We could also give our llama some hair or little fluffy part that comes down from the hat. Now let's draw the rest of that fluffy part for the bottom of the Santa hat. I'm going to start on the side of the head, and then we're going to go across the top, and then we'll come down and connect into the side of the head on this side. Yeah, now let's draw llama's ears. We're going to draw funny ears. We're going to draw two curves coming up like this, so curving the opposite direction.
I'm running out of room.
That's okay. You can draw them a little bit smaller so that it doesn't go off the paper. And then up here, we're going to draw it curving around and coming out and then back in. And then we'll do the same thing, but going the other direction for the other ear. Then let's draw the inside of the ear. We're going to draw that same shape, but smaller. Markers are really squeaky, I think, because they're brand new.
Yeah.
Now we're going to finish drawing the Santa hat. Let's start over here, and we're going to draw a curve that comes up, connects to the ear. We could imagine that going behind the ear too if we want, and then coming a little further into the middle of our llama's head. Then let's do that same curve, but we're going to draw on this side. We're going to go a little higher, and we're going to go over that little wrinkle or this curve that we drew first, and then we're going to go past, and then we'll come down. Then we can draw the other side that's folded over, and I'm not going to connect here. We'll leave a little space. And then we're going to draw a big pom-pom or fluffy ball at the end of our Santa hat. We finished our llama's head. Now let's draw the neck and also the body. We're going to start here. We're going to draw two little bumpy lines coming down on each side. Then let's draw the scarf. We can draw the top of it connecting across the neck. Then let's draw the side of the scarf coming down further. And then we can connect that together. And I'm drawing a curve that matches the top of the scarf. See how it curves the same? Yeah. And then we can draw the rest of the scarf coming down. And then we can connect the bottom. And then I'm going to draw little lines here for the bottom of the scarf. Now we're ready to draw the body. Let's start here. We're going to draw the rest of the neck coming down, and then also we'll curve in just a little too. I'm going to curve it just a little more. Oh, I love how tall your llama is going to be, taller than mine. It's going to be awesome. So I went a little bit further. That's for his chest, or her chest. Then we're going to draw the first leg right here. We're going to draw 2 bumps on the side. Then we're going to draw a couple bumps on the bottom, and then we'll draw the bumps coming up too. So it's got a really fluffy leg. And then we're going to draw the bottom or the foot part of our llama. And then we can split the toes. Okay, now let's draw the other leg right next to it. We're going to draw the same fluffy part here. And then we'll draw, I'm going a little faster since we're just repeating the same steps. Draw the bottom and then the toes. Now let's draw the belly. We're going to imagine this line right here, the neckline coming through and out the other side of the leg. And I'm going to just draw a couple bumps. Then we'll draw the top of our llama's back. We're going to draw it curving here. We're just going to draw it straight since we can add a little blanket on top. Then let's draw the back leg. So we want to match the same shape right here. We're going to match it back here. So I'm going to draw a bump coming down, 2 across, and then we're going to draw the bumps, but we're going to draw them coming all the way up and connecting into the back. Then let's draw the foot coming down further and the little toe line. And we're missing one more leg. Let's draw it right back here. You can barely see it sticking out. And the bottom foot part, and then the toe. Let's add a little tail. I'm going to draw a couple bumps for the tail.
Whoa.
That's awesome.
Mine's head is tall.
It's so perfect. It's really cool. Let's add a few more details. We can add a U shape here for the blanket. On the back of our llama. Oh, and we could also add Christmas lights. Let's add them. This will be awesome. I'm going to add a little line or curve here. Then we're going to add little squares. This is for the wire, but the little squares are for the lights, where the lights will be. I'm going to add a little light sticking out on the side too. So add a bunch of little squares connected to that wire, and then we'll add the light bulb or an oval shape connected to each square. Let's add another one that comes all the way from here to the other side, and do the same thing. Add the little rectangle shapes going across the wire to add a bunch of lights. And then we'll add the light bulbs connected to those square shapes. I think I'm going to add one more string of lights coming across here. And a couple more lights on this one. Asana or llamas look really cool, except we still need to
Color it.
Yes, this part will fast forward, but you can pause the video and color your drawings too. You ready to speed things up?
Yes.
Austin, we did it. We finished drawing and coloring our Christmas llamas. And this is now my new favorite Christmas lesson.
Same.
I especially love how yours turned out and how tall he is.
Thank you.
He's awesome. Now you can pause the video right now to match our same coloring, or you can color your drawings any way you want.
We used our Art for Kids hub markers, but you can use whatever you have at home.
Yeah, like colored pencils or even crayons. Now, if you have the same set or you're using alcohol-based markers, you could use a light yellow in your set. We use number 26 if you have our set, but you could also just match it with whatever you have.
You could use like a brown.
Oh yeah, you could change the color of your llama to brown or even spotted, or maybe a Christmas one with red and green stripes.
Oh yeah. We hope you had a lot of fun drawing a Christmas llama.
We hope you had a lot of fun, and we'll see you later, our friends. Goodbye.